Hey y'all, just making this quick video here to see how I build campaigns at scale. I was going to share this in a meeting this morning, but just to get around it, so I figured I'd make a quick video for you guys. Let's dive in, I'll take a look. So share my screen here, hopefully it's going to work. So basically what I'm trying to do here is create a plumbers in zip code campaign, targeting zip codes obviously. So what I did here is I got a seed keyword plumbers, middle keyword in, and then obviously our modifier keyword is the zip code itself. So this combined in a concatenate produces the actual keyword phrase. So what I've done here is I created a campaign. I just copied a campaign in an editor, and I created a plumber in zip code. So I've got my campaign name in here. I've copied this concat from here or into the ad groups. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my ad groups right here. But we want to make sure that we obviously follow the title case. So what I'm going to do is click on column B here, and I'm going to find and replace. We'll hit this little, this is a Google Sheets, by the way. I'm going to change plumbers to plumbers, and we'll replace all those. That looks good. That's done. Now we got to do the same for the keyword. Let's add our modified broad. So we're going to hit find again, find and replace. So what I'm going to replace on here is I'm going to replace plumbers with plus plumbers, but I can't do the plus sign because Google Sheets is going to have a fit. So what you do in here is you put the little, I don't know what this is officially called. It's not a quotation, but it's the single quotation in front of the plus, and that's going to allow us to get past the formatting. So let me hit replace all on these. Now we got plus on plumbers. We got our mod broad on plumbers. So now we're going to change it on the zip codes. Notice the zip codes are all start with 7. And so with numbers, you can put a plus sign in front of those, and it's not going to give you a hard time. But what we have to do is, you notice there's also other 7s in the zip code. For instance, this one here, 75047. So we only want to replace the first 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a space and a 7. So I'm going to find space 7, and I'm going to replace this with space plus 7. And so that way we're only going to do the first 7 in all the zip codes. So let's replace all those guys. All right, that's done. So now we've got our campaign, plumber and zip code. We've got our ad groups, plumber in 75073, and we've got our keyword plumbers in 75073. Now here's where the magic meets the road. Let's take a look at this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all this, and we're going to go into Google Ads Editor, and you can see I've got my campaign here all set to go. I'm going to go to keywords because remember we're essentially, we got to go to the lowest level that we're pasting into editor. So if I go to ad groups and paste this, it's only going to paste ad groups. It's not going to paste the keywords. So we're going to click on this campaign. We're going to go to keywords, and I'm going to do make multiple changes. And I'm going to hit Control V just to paste this in here. And so it automatically puts in campaign, ad group, and keyword. And I'm going to use my data includes columns for campaigns and or ad groups. So watch this. So I'm going to process. I'm going to finish and review changes. And bam, look at all the ad groups I just created. Each ad group has the appropriate zip code search for, you know, what I'm trying to target, plumbers in 75001, plumbers in 75002, etc. So I can literally push this now. I've got my ad group shells. I've got all my keywords in here that I want. The only thing I'm missing now is my ads. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first ad group. I'm going to create 2 ETAs and 1 RSA that are general. And then I'm going to just replace the headline. I'm going to find and replace 75001 with 75002, etc. So just a quick tip for you. Hopefully this helped you guys build campaigns at scale. Let me know if you have any questions.